JT Pells, the tax quarterback. I know I'm supposed to write off my miles because I use my personal car in my business, but like, I don't know where to begin. Please help me.
Well, you seem a little frustrated. A lot of clients are like that. We're like, I don't know what I'm doing tax-wise. So the easiest way, that's why clients like working with us. We had somebody last year, she asked me, how do I track my miles? Because I drive a ton. I'm a realtor. I'm on the road every day. I said, oh, well, you could do it the hard way like you were doing with pencil and paper. Or you could just use this app on your smartphone, which we all have. It's called Mile IQ. You drive with it in your car, and then at the end of the year, you end up picking up an extra, I think she did like 10,000 miles that she would not have otherwise tracked. And we put it in our toolkit, and then all of a sudden she was like, oh my God, you guys saved me like thousands of dollars in taxes just by doing something like that. And that's why people like working with us.
Tell me more about this app, because I used to be a delivery driver when I was in college, and I had to write down the odometer every beginning shift, every end of shift, and God knows how many fucking times I forgot it and messed it up and missed miles. Tell me more about this thing, because I am intrigued.
It's like a dating app. It's like JDate. You know, you just track your miles, you swipe business or personal, and then after that, you put it in this toolkit that we have. Like our client Crystal, who's in the Southwest, she tracked her miles in the app, gave it to us. We put it in our toolkit, and then outspit thousands of dollars of tax savings.
We're glad to hear that, I don't have to do it, because
No,
I ain't getting bogged down in like calculating the taxes. You need a few numbers, sure, like I can do that.
that's where it stops, right?
Yeah.
That's where it stops at that. That's hard enough. So actually, funny thing you're saying this, so many of our clients are like, man, you guys do a really good job. And we're like, well, why don't we just make this available to a lot of people? So what we're doing is we have this tax toolkit where it's actually going to calculate all these tax savings. It just needs a few numbers from you, which are really, really easy to get. You put that in, and then you give it to us as your CPA or somebody else. And all of a sudden your CPA is gonna be like, wow, how did you get all these extra tax savings? It's like, oh, well, I got it from JT Pells. And that's really it. Very, very simple. Would you see value in that, Drew? Like, you're a small business owner.
Yeah.
If you didn't have to just like bang your head and like take all these pictures of receipts, you're like, I don't even know where I'm saving half
Well, that's the thing, right? Is, as the business owner, it's like, I don't want to learn to do my taxes. Like, I get I need to know some basics, but like, dude, yeah, give me an app, give me a sheet, I'll fill it out.
Yeah.
I'll give you some numbers, but like, you take care of it. Like, yeah, I want to focus on like my clients, not reading the stupid IRS tax code. Like, that's not for me.
Yeah, it's not for me. They actually pay somebody to read it for me, believe it or not. But yeah, so the way you guys get access to that, you're going to sign up for our email list, which is going to be in the description, jtpells.com/email. After that, once you sign up, you get the top 5 business deductions for small business owners. I know it's got a more fancy title there. Then once you get in there, you're actually going to have a 60% coupon on our toolkit. So you sign up through the email list, you get access to that, and then Labor Day weekend, it shows up in your email or in your inbox in your email, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, where have you guys been all my life? And I say, we're right here. Go ahead and sign up.
All right. Well, JT Pells, the tax quarterback. Thank you.
You got it. If you want even more tax tips, make sure to sign up for our email list. Link in the description. You're going to get cheat sheets, all that. And then by the end of it, you're going to say, I'm switching to these guys and I'm getting rid of my CPA.